Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance tech and business. In the past few months, I have been using cloud-based programs to design graphics for my YouTube channel and social media posts. The two cloud-based programs I've been using is Microsoft Designer and Adobe Express. That is why on this video I'm going to share with you my experience using the Microsoft Designer and Adobe Express. One is AI powered while the other one has several templates that you can use to design graphics. So between the two, which one is the best for what? Watch out this video till the end to find out. Hi. This is freelance and business. If you are new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more about me. With that said, let's get into today's video. So what you see on the screen here is Microsoft Designer. And on the other hand, on my Chrome browser, I have Adobe Express. These are two design programs that you can use to design anything. For Microsoft Designer, it is AI powered tool that enables you to do many things on design by commanding the program to do it for you. As you can see here, I have done a couple of designs using Microsoft Designer. To get started, you need to choose here what you want the designer to do for you. In this case, I'll want it to generate graphics from me. So I'll click on design, generate on design creator. I'll be taken to this page here where I need to command the program to design something for me. So I need to type here what I want Microsoft Designer to do for me. In this case, I wanted to design for me a graphic for posting on social media. So I'll ask design a social media post for to market my video, my content creation service. Then I'll ask the designer to use blue and white colors. If I have an image that I'd like the designer to add to use, I can upload it here or just generate an image here. Maybe content creation, a laptop, for example. Let's use a laptop. This is a laptop and it looks cool, so we'll select one of them here and click select. Then now, once we are done providing all the information that we want the designer to incorporate on that design, we'll click on generate here. As you can see, we'll wait for a few minutes, for a few seconds, depending on the internet speed, and see what the designer will come up with. So as you can see here, I have many different designs. I can pick one of these here because this one looks good. I'll customize and click on customize. So I'll pick one of the design. You pick one of the designs that the generator has come up with and click on customize. I'm taken to this page here where I can now customize the text, for example, the positioning of the image, and etc. For example, if I want to change this text, I'll click on it where the text is and wait for the designer to respond. Mark you, one of the downsides of Microsoft Designer is that it uses a lot of your PCs or your computer screen. Like you come to task manager here and you can see here this is Microsoft Edge. It uses a lot of CPU the designer uses a lot of CPU. You can see it's 33%. It's fluctuating, jumping up and down depending on what you click on, and it uses a lot of memory as well. You can see 600 MB, almost 1 GB of RAM. So that is it. Now let's come back to this designer. So if I want to change this text, I can click on it and double click on it as again for me to edit this text. Boost, I can change this content creation, and then I can probably move this here to here, for example, or to up here. Then probably reduce the size of this text, pull up there, and as you can see here, I have boost your creation. Maybe I can add additional text, so I'll click on text here, then click on add, and you can see it will come here. This is the text I'll add, so I can modify this. So there are many things. I can modify this by double clicking on this space here, then using that, editing that text. There are many things that you can still do here. For example, a visual. For example, if I want to add a background on this text, I can click on this box here, you can see. And also there is a brand kit. For example, if you are dealing with a green color or a blue color, there are many brand kits that are already customized for you by the AI. So one downside is the speed. Like your computer will slow a bit because it uses a lot of your CPU to process all these things here. You can see one beautiful thing about Microsoft Designer is that you can download the image in various formats for free. You don't pay anything. You can download PNG, you can download JPEG and PDF. So one downside is the speed of your computer and internet will slow. It uses a lot of power in your computer, but all in all, Microsoft Designer can speed up the process in which you design. Instead of thinking and brainstorming, you can come here, use the AI, command the AI. It will give you ideas on what to design, and you can use that to come up with a powerful, unique design that no one else has. Now let's get to Adobe Express. I've not used this program very much, but I've used it a bit for YouTube thumbnails, and compared to Microsoft Designer, this does well with YouTube thumbnails because there are many templates for YouTube that you can customize. You don't have to design anything from scratch. For example, so when I come to Adobe Express here and search for YouTube thumbnail, and you can see it shows here, so YouTube thumbnail, and as you can see, I have many of them. So when I most of the time find myself choosing one template here which is free. Many of them are free. So when I click this one, for example, here and say customize, I'll be able to customize. And one beautiful thing about Adobe Express is that if you have very fast internet, Adobe Express will load very fast compared to Microsoft Designer. This one loads faster. So for this, I can change many things. For example, I can change these colors, I can change the text by clicking on each item here. And as you can see, these templates look super cool. I can change this image to mine by clicking on hit and clicking and hitting delete on my computer, then importing my image media by clicking on media here, then click on upload from device, and I'll pick the image that I'd like to use on that photo and add there. If you don't need a photo from your computer, you can search for many different photo which is royalty free. As you can see here, I can pick this one, and when I click on it, it automatically adds here. If I want to remove the background of that image, when I click on it, you can see here it gives me options to make that change. So So when I click on it and click on remove background, you can see it automatically removes the background of that image. So as you can see, the background is automatically removed and it has been done perfectly. So you can do many things. You can find a template, you don't have to design it from scratch unlike in the past. So I think the cloud way of doing things, or the cloud design platforms, are more advanced, and there are many of the features that they carry it with are free. I don't know how they use the data, but using all this free information here blows your mind, because it has been done by different people and it's free. So finding all these free things is a gem. So you can do as many things. One downside of Adobe Express compared to Microsoft Designer is that it doesn't have the AI feature. I have not seen the AI feature. Maybe I'll just check, discover, this comment, submit, feedback, share. I have not seen the AI feature here for probably designing, so maybe it utilizes only templates. So that is the difference between Adobe Express and Microsoft Designer. I think that is it from me here. I hope you have found this review helpful to you if you are looking for a way to design things faster compared to your past. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on X at Cheption. Are you looking for professional video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com.